Pricing differences in electrical supplies are influenced by several factors. Firstly, volume purchasing plays a significant role. Large contractors, due to their high purchase volumes, are often able to negotiate better wholesale prices with supply houses. Secondly, account status matters. Electrical contractors with established accounts and solid payment histories are more likely to receive preferential pricing from supply houses. Thirdly, product availability can affect pricing. Home Depot and Lowe's may have limited stock on certain products, potentially leading to higher prices for those items. Supply houses typically carry a wider range of products and may offer better pricing on specialized items. Fourthly, location can influence pricing. Prices can vary depending on the geographical location of the store or the supply house. It is plausible that the prices at electrical supply houses such as CES and CD might be slightly higher than Home Depot for some items, even though they operate as wholesale suppliers. As a new contractor with a limited purchase volume, you may not yet qualify for the best wholesale pricing available. It is important to build a strong relationship with your sales representatives at both supply houses and home improvement stores. These representatives may be able to offer discounts or negotiate better pricing on your behalf. Always inquire about quantity discounts from both suppliers. Purchasing larger quantities of materials often results in lower per unit costs. Remember to factor in the cost of delivery when comparing prices between different suppliers. Supply houses may offer free or discounted delivery for certain order sizes. To determine the best option for your business, you should request quotes from multiple suppliers. Get detailed quotes from CES, CED, Home Depot, and Lowe's for the specific materials you need for your projects. Consider your anticipated purchase volume. If you expect to make large purchases regularly, negotiating wholesale pricing with a supply house could be more beneficial in the long run. Evaluate the overall cost, taking into account delivery costs, product availability, and any potential discounts or rebates to determine the best overall value for your business. Building relationships is key. Get to know your sales representatives at both suppliers and leverage their knowledge and experience to get the best deals possible. They can provide insights into upcoming promotions, recommend cost-effective alternatives, and help you navigate the complexities of electrical supply pricing. Consider these additional aspects when comparing pricing. Supply houses often offer credit terms allowing you to pay for materials at a later date, which can be advantageous for managing cash flow. Retailers like Home Depot and Lowe's typically require immediate payment. Supply houses often have knowledgeable staff who can provide technical assistance and advice on product selection, which can be valuable for contractors. Retailers may have less specialized expertise in electrical supplies. Some supply houses offer services such as job site delivery, material staging, and inventory management, which can save you time and resources. Retailers typically do not offer these types of services. Electrical supply houses generally carry high-quality products that are designed for professional use, while retailers may offer a mix of professional-grade and consumer-grade products. Professional-grade products typically have a longer lifespan and are more reliable, which can save you money in the long run. Supply houses are more likely to carry specialized or hard-to-find items that you may need for specific projects, whereas retailers tend to focus on more common items. Negotiate pricing with your suppliers. Don't be afraid to ask for discounts or better terms, especially if you are a regular customer or making a large purchase. Be prepared to walk away if you are not happy with the pricing. There are many electrical suppliers out there, so you have the power to choose the one that best meets your needs and budget. Track your spending and analyze your material costs regularly. This will help you identify areas where you can save money and improve your profitability. Consider joining a buying group or co-op. These organizations leverage the collective purchasing power of their members to negotiate better prices with suppliers. Stay informed about industry trends and market conditions. This will help you anticipate price changes and make informed purchasing decisions. Attend industry events and trade shows to network with suppliers and learn about new products and technologies. consider using a material management software system. These systems can help you track your inventory, manage your orders, and compare prices from different suppliers. Be aware of potential scams and fraudulent activities. Always verify the legitimacy of a supplier before placing an order, and never provide personal or financial information to an unverified source. Protect your business by maintaining adequate insurance coverage. This will protect you from financial losses due to theft, damage, or liability claims. Regularly review your insurance policies to ensure that you have adequate coverage. Keep accurate records of all your transactions. This will help you track your income and expenses, and it will make it easier to file your taxes. Consult with a qualified accountant or tax advisor to ensure that you are complying with all applicable tax laws. Stay up to date on the latest electrical codes and regulations. This will ensure that your work is safe and compliant, and it will help you avoid costly fines and penalties. Attend continuing education courses to stay abreast of new developments in the electrical industry. This will help you improve your skills and knowledge, and it will make you a more valuable asset to your customers. Promote your business through online marketing, advertising, and networking. This will help you attract new customers and grow your business. Provide excellent customer service. This will help you build a strong reputation and generate repeat business. Be responsive to customer inquiries and always strive to exceed their expectations. Consider offering financing options to your customers. This can make it easier for them to afford your services, and it can help you close more deals. Be mindful of your environmental impact. Use energy-efficient products and practices, and recycle materials whenever possible. Support your local community. Donate to local charities and participate in community events. Be a responsible and ethical business owner. Treat your employees, customers, and suppliers with respect, and always operate with integrity. Consider specializing in a particular area of electrical work. This can help you differentiate yourself from the competition and attract a niche market. Focus on providing high-quality work and excellent customer service. This will help you build a strong reputation and generate referrals. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and provide the best possible service to your customers. Invest in the right tools and equipment. This will help you work more efficiently and effectively. Create a safe and healthy work environment for your employees. This will help you attract and retain top talent. Be proactive in identifying and mitigating risks. This will help you protect your business from financial losses and legal liabilities. Develop a strong business plan. This will help you stay focused and achieve your goals. Regularly review your business plan and make adjustments as needed. Seek advice from experienced business owners and mentors. This can help you avoid common mistakes and make informed decisions. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful business takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged by setbacks and always keep moving forward. Stay positive and motivated. This will help you overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Celebrate your successes. This will help you stay energized and inspired. Remember that your business is a reflection of you. Strive to be the best that you can be, and your business will thrive. Prices can also be affected by manufacturer rebates, closeouts, and special promotions. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to save money on your electrical supplies. Finally, remember that the lowest price is not always the best value. Consider the quality of the products, the service you receive, and the overall reliability of the supplier when making your purchasing decisions. A slightly higher price from a reputable supplier may be worth it in the long run if it means you get better quality products and more reliable service. When comparing prices, make sure you are comparing apples to apples. Ensure that you are comparing the same product with the same specifications from different suppliers. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If you are unsure about something, don't hesitate to ask your supplier for clarification. A good supplier will be happy to answer your questions and help you find the right products for your needs.